Hello. I'm going to try to go as fast as I can just to get this stuff. I mean, it's ridiculous. 3 videos today. Well, this stuff is from 2 weeks, so. Okay, here it is. Okay, so it was 9 movies for $13. Not 13 movies for $9. 75 cents. 72 cents. 75 cents. 75 cents, 75 cents, 72 cents. Prince of Egypt. $1.25. But she said it was like $1.12. Now I've got the thing here, but I'm not going to go through it. I never heard of this movie. Billy Bob Thornton, Anthony Cracky, and Sandra Bullock. That was for $1.50. Paradox. IP Man Trilogy. Paradox. $1.50. That's funny because I have an IP. This is the Warlords. $1.50 for a Blu-ray disc. $1.50 for Paradox. Immortals. It says $2.50 on it. But I think she said that was like $1.12, so I'll take that any day. IP Man, IP3. I don't know if it's IP Man or IP Man 3 for $2.50, but that was like $1.25 also. Like that had nothing to do with. Well, I went in there looking for cards and shirts for a special person, but the only thing I found was movies. That's the first time I ever seen a Big Lots with a clearance rack or a clearance whatever. I think these are from like 3 different Rite Aids, all right in a row. Bang, bang, bang. Got another one of these. Really cool Pokemon tins that everyone likes, these things. Big Shot Ballers. Big Shot Ballers. Big Shot Ballers. I should open them. I don't have time, but I want to get this over and go lay down. Pokemon. Never seen these before, and then Knockout. Lucario. Tyranitar. Same thing as the last one from the last video. Pokemon with the discs. Oh, they're both the same. Arrokuda. I had 2 more of these I found, which are pretty cool. Another one of these knockouts. This one is Tyranitar. Almost forgot these. Another one of those goofy things. And the football one, those Fairfield things are cheap and they're junk, but for as cheap as they are, the football one, I hope I didn't just get lucky and have a hot. I hope all footballs are good. I mean, it'd be nice to get a good baseball one, but I doubt that's going to happen. All right. All right. I think that was from the Faraway Land. Faraway Place. It's definitely a Rite Aid. $3.12.01. Chronicles. Bowman. It's funny how this Bowman is $15.98 or $16.98. I'm not even sure. These are only like $4.99 or $5.99. So the Chronicles, I think they're better and they're cheaper. All right. I want to say Mechanic, Wilkes-Barre, I forget. Maybe Pittston, no, Wilkes-Barre. They were out of cards. They were all out of cards. And I was like, this sucks. There were so many good things. So then I look and I'm like, oh my God, I got Pokeballs. So I got 2 Pokeballs. I got a green one and a blue one. So I was happy. What day was this? Yeah, Friday. Freaking stuff. What time? This was at 8:15 in the morning. I mean, I was there the night before, like 10:30, quarter to 11. It was ready to close, and I got good packs. I got like Contenders or something. The Chronicles football packs. There were so many good things. I was so happy. Hey, I'm gonna get something good, and then you go there and there's nothing. These are only like, I want to say $4.99 or $5.99. They're the fat packs. $5.99. $12.70 for both of them after taxes. If you like hockey like I do. Oh, okay. Skittles. I was actually looking for. I didn't know where I had it. Mineral Boost. I saw it advertised on TV. Walked into a Rite Aid looking for stuff. So, I think that was the Rite Aid out in Dallas. It's like the first Rite Aid I went to that day. And no cards anywhere. I was going to ask the guy, but I didn't see them anywhere, so I didn't even bother. I just bought Sensodyne and left. No. The Skittles were from something else. All right. All right, I guess that's good. Peace. Hopefully this adjustment works and the videos are back to normal again.